Welcome to Gerry's Gene Scene. In this video, let's look at fossil hunting, Mary Anning, and Lyme Regis. When I travel, I am also seeking science in places I visit, and on a recent trip I wanted to learn more about Mary Anning, fossil hunter. A good place to start is London's Natural History Museum, and I'm headed to the Green Zone. Fossil marine reptiles, that's where they display specimens collected by Mary Anning. Her discoveries included the first ichthyosaur skeleton in 1830 and the most complete plesiosaur in 1823. If you are in Natural History Museum, check out the hallway that features Mary Anning. I reviewed the book Reading the Rocks, and according to the author Brenda Maddox, Mary Anning's discoveries in the first half of the 19th century led her to being acclaimed in her lifetime as the greatest fossil hunter the world has ever known. Anning was adept at spotting and extracting fossils, and she performed dissections and applied that knowledge to understanding the anatomy of the fossils. The Jurassic Coast is a World Heritage Site 154 kilometers in length, from Exmouth in East Devon to Studland Bay in Dorset. It spans 185 million years of geological history. Coastal erosion has exposed almost a continuous sequence of rock formation covering the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. 71 different rock strata have been identified at Lyme Regis, each with its own species of ammonite. Alternating limestone and shale called blue Lias was laid down during the Jurassic and are now a major source of the ammonite fossils as the cliffs erode into the sea and are revealed. Where Mary Anning lived is now the site of the Lyme Regis Museum. Anning knew that one of the best times to hunt for fossils is during stormy weather. This clip was taken out the window of the museum with the approach of Hurricane Lorenzo. That was good timing to take the museum's guided fossil hunt led by Paddy Howe. He showed us how large fossils get revealed in the storms. We also saw how a trained eye can pick up a rock, split it, and find a whole array of fossils inside. Duria Antiquior was the first depiction of a scene from deep time, showing a variety of prehistoric creatures interacting with one another and their environment. Based on fossil evidence, Mary Anning established coprolites were fossilized feces. William Buckland worked with her to establish an ancient food web, and Henry Dulabeche imagined a scene depicting a more ancient Dorset. This painting is also considered to be one of the first crowdfunding projects. Prints were sold to raise money for Mary Anning when there was a major economic downturn and she was in poor health. The Lyme Regis Parish Church, St. Michael the Archangel, is a short walk up Church Street from the museum. At the side of the church is a grave of Mary Anning. Behind the church is a bench overlooking the very cliffs where Mary Anning spent her life looking for fossils. A great place to think about the major contributions of this early paleontologist. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And to make sure you don't miss future Gerry's Gene Scene videos, hit the subscribe button on the left. To see another in this series, check out the video on the right. Thanks for watching. I'm Gerry Ward at genomealberta.ca.